My name is Brian. I am a cloud engineer for the Elastic Cloud AWS Intelligence area. So with AWS Intelligence, what they're doing is they're trying to link like-minded experiences and backgrounds with the customer. So I have a military background. I was 25 years Army, right into AWS. The transition going from the military into AWS was pretty seamless. Day one here, they hand you a laptop, they give you a lot of background, they give you nothing but airspace and altitude. What I really appreciate about the AWS Intelligence kind of group and those that are on there is that each one of them comes with a mindset already. It's succinct to what you've probably already worked on, maybe within the military or another government agency, and now transitioned here. So it's almost one of those gloves that fits, or that hat that granddad had that fits on you perfectly. Right away, you're ready to run. I think here at AWS, they're more apt to the inclusion and diversity and progression, and I can appreciate that. I was injured in combat, I'm 100% disabled. They have made countless adaptations for me to be successful. And so I can appreciate that when it comes to those with disabilities, and they want to make sure you're still successful, and they know that you can contribute a lot. I know for myself, AWS is where I belong. I always say here that it's the journey and not the destination at AWS.